I guarantee you that if you work on this project for 2 months you will at least earn $200. So watch the video till end so that you don't get stuck at registering for the project, and at the end of the video I will also tell you a trick to earn 2x points. So just follow me as I am doing, and if you get any type of error then try to change browser. Select your Google account and sign up. Then hit that sign in button and you will be redirected to your dashboard. So now your first task has been completed. Now complete others task to get more gems by daily, weekly, one-time and social tasks. Also you can complete missions and earn. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.